found on Logos with the multiple resource tool. Of course, you can go in here. So if I'm looking at my English Bible and I want to have my Greek Bible next to it, I can go in here and look at my NA28, and then I'll have that scrolling in parallel here. But what about when I go to the Old Testament? So when I go to Genesis 3, my Greek Bible is gone. It would be really nice if that could be available both in the Old Testament and the New Testament. Well, you can actually add your LXX here. This is pretty simple. I don't know why it took me so long to figure this out, but this will allow me in Old Testament or New Testament to have my Greek Bible if I have my LXX on and my NA28 on. And of course, if I want to, I can add my Hebrew Bible as well. So LHB, add that. Then if I'm in my New Testament, I'll just have my Greek Bible. Then if I go back to Genesis 3, I'll have my English and my Greek Bible. And I can rearrange the order if I want to by rearranging them right in here. So I can just drag and drop really easily like that and have Hebrew next to English, which probably makes a little bit more sense. At least to me. Maybe it doesn't make sense to you guys. Anyway, that's something super simple, but it was helpful to me, and I hope it's helpful to you.